Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca and Happy New Year, depending on when you're watching this, because I'm not sure when I'm loading it. But I thought what I would do is just a New Year's Eve, staying in, looking cozy to watch my annual When Harry Met Sally viewing. I love that movie. I love Carrie Fisher in that movie. And I've turned my daughter onto it. So it's our tradition. We stay home. Even when it's not a pandemic, I'm home. 8 out of 10 times I'm home for New Year's. Anyway, and also I'd like to shout out to stylevana. The makeup I'm using is some of the makeup I'm using today they sent me. This isn't sponsored. I do have an affiliate link connected to my discount code, and I will show you if I'm using a product they sent me, I will let you know. They sent me this snail repair eye cream. The brand is called Secret Key. This is a Korean brand, and I love snail mucin. I know it sounds weird, and I know some folks are turned off by it, but trust me, there's a lot of stuff in your day-to-day that you're using that you probably don't want to know the background of or the production of. Hot dogs. Sausage. I love this. This is a 1 ounce eye cream. That's huge. It has, I'll read you some of the ingredients in there. So it has macadamia seed oil, it has squalane, and it has the jojoba, and it has like panthenol. It has a ferment something extract. So really cool. I get a lot of my favorite Korean skincare, Asian beauty products from stylevana. They have an excellent selection and good price range. So like the Purito, the sunscreen. So anyhow, I just thought I'd share that with you. I'm gonna use my Juno Moonshine. I love this stuff. If you guys watch Makeup with Michelle, she has oily skin and she swears by the Moonshine cream. And I do know that some of you mentioned it has a bitter orange extract, little bit of an, I can't remember what it was, but there is a bit of orange in here. And I am somewhat careful when it comes to plant and botanical extracts. This one does not bother me. I use this as a makeup prep, so I'm not using this as a daily moisturizer. Maybe that's why, but I just love what it does to seal my skin, hydration, and my makeup just always looks better when I use it. And I have a discount code, so I know, right? So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo CC cream because we love it and it's affordable. So I thought I would do that for us today. I have shade Light 210N. So I'm gonna speed through this part. I don't know, do I wanna do, hang on. I'm going to use the Lip Bar Concealer. This is new this year. What is wrong with my voice? I have shade Ivory. It's very light. It was the recommended shade. This is a self-setting concealer, really affordable. Just using this little e.l.f. sponge to push the product in. I don't think I'm gonna powder my camo cream just yet. I might take a little bit of my Juno Blur powder just on my forehead because, yes, what am I gonna say? I crease up there. So Juno sponge, because it's got the little microfiber, and Juno powder. All right. All right, let's get into these shadows. This is the McQueen New York palette, and I have to say, one of the best makeup brands they have on Stylevana's site is McQueen. I love it. I have actually a couple McQueen eye products, brow liner and mascara today. So this is just the cutest. It is the McQueen New York 1001 Tone on Tone Shadow Palette. But I'll let you take a look at that. I love the combination of neutrals, and they're almost all matte. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one right here. Ooh, that's nice. I did not put shadow primer on. That wasn't really on purpose, but we'll say it was to test the wearability of these shadows, right? You know, all that going between the living room and the kitchen. What top are you planning on wearing for New Year's Eve? What slippers are gonna go with your outfit? Before I do anything else, this is McQueen. This is their waterproof pencil gel liner in Smoky Roasting Latte. I just thought that was the funniest shade. It's almost like a black or just like a charcoal. And I'm just gonna tightline that. I'm gonna go in this very deep, let's see how it swatches. See, it's kind of like it's like a dark mushroom brown. And I'm gonna just use my, the angle of my lid. I'm gonna definitely tap that off. Oopsie-doo. See, it's kind of creating drama, but it's sort of also very easy. It's like stay-at-home drama, stay-at-home dramatic eye. You know, not a lot of effort. There's always one eye that turns out better than the other. So I'm gonna just steal Katie Jane Hughes' technique and go with her. She did a very, what's the word? Graphic line. And I'm gonna pull that right there. Yeah, there's a little bit, you know, there's a bit of kick up, there's a bit of fallout. It's okay. I feel like these shadows, though, are so soft. They're not patchy. They're very blendable. So it's okay. It's okay to have. Okay, my graphic line isn't going as well, but that's okay because I'm kind of gonna, I like how when I just sort of look like this, my eye is kind of lifted. It's just a really easy look. And because my lids sag a bit and they're a little crepey, I don't have to fight liquid liner. So I'm gonna take a fluffier shadow brush and I'm just gonna go in with this it's kind of red. I mean, it's kind of a burnt, like a rust shade. And I might even tone it down with this sort of taupe. But I'm gonna just kind of pop that on right above my crease and just sort of push it. Okay, sorry. There. This is a waterproof gel liner What is the shade? It's kind of more brown. Oh, it's that kind of sparkly shade. So this goes underneath. And I'm just pulling it up. But I'm lining my lower lash line. I will list this below so you guys can see what shade it is, because it's really unique. Also, it wears so nice. You guys remember I talk a lot about this magic sealer. It's just kind of this transforming liquid, so you can take shadows and make it into like pigments, and I love it. So I have this little cute sparkly shade right here, and I mean, it's definitely glittery and duochrome. What I'm gonna do is I am going to take the magic seal, I am gonna load it onto a very flat synthetic brush. You can use the magic seal over eyeliner, over lipstick, mix it with eyeshadow. It's pretty great. So I'm gonna just put this in the center of my lid for some celestial fun. I mean, look how pretty that is. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's not going anywhere. Oh, it's also like the most fun to do. It's like one of those parts of makeup where you just are like, oh, this is the fun part. They sent me this eyebrow, and it's a soft eyebrow brow mascara. You know what I'm trying to say. The shade might be a little dark, but also maybe it's one of those deceiving ones where it's a little, oh boy, it's dark. It's dark. Hang on, let me wipe off extra product. I love the spoolie on this, so how can I make this work? Oh wow, it's definitely dark. Okay. I mean, you know what? I'm going with it. Oh, and it's kind of red. Okay, I'm giving this to Emma, my little ginger. Okay, I think I will really like this product in a light brown or taupe. I'm going to check their website to see. And then I'll just brush it out. That's kind of funny, right? Does it look a little weird that my brows are kind of reddish? I'm like, if I pose, is that better? Popping on some of this Chica White Chico. This is like a dual blush, so cute. It's like you would think, what kind of shades? But we're gonna blend it. We're gonna swirl it. Then we're gonna just kind of do that. And it's so much fun. And then I really want to try this mascara. I don't know about it, you guys. Long lash, extreme long lash. All right, we're gonna see. So far, so good. Has like a nice, I wonder if it has like little fibery guys in it. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It has the fibers. I can really see they have, okay. So actually I'm wondering how this would work if I could blend it. I might try it with one of my like volumizing formulas. All right. Okay, that's lots of fun. Still kind of cracking up about my eyebrows, but I'm okay with that. This is a Flower Beauty lip liner in shade Cherry. What do you guys think of the eyes? I am really digging the shadow and the liner. The mascara is great. It's not maybe like as dramatic as I'm used to, but I think overall it turned out really nice. And I like the little wing trick. I mean, you know. I will list everything below and discount codes, links, etc. Thank you so much as we round out 2020. I wish you well, and I really appreciate your support for my channel, for me, my family, and I hope if you haven't yet subscribed, please give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.